Be strong.
Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to download the iOS 14 beta as I've done on my iPhone 7. It runs smoothly, no issue. So let's get started. It works only on 6S and new devices. What you want to do is go to beta.apple.com, then go to iOS 14 because you want iOS 14. Get started, and first you have to sign in. In my case, my one is already signed in, so you have to go here, enroll your iOS device, and go first. You have to archive or backup either in iCloud or either in iTunes. I've done mine, so make sure to back up first before installing the profile. Then you have to click download profile right here. Head along. Review the profile in settings app if you want to install it. So head over to settings app, and you can see the profile, download it. And in my case, I've already installed this, so I'll put a picture in the screen below. I'll install the iOS 14 beta software from here. You have to enter install and enter your passcode and click here install from here. So if you find this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share if you find it helpful and you understand it to your friends. So see you in the next video.